Take two.
What's wrong?
You gotta lift this hand up. Wait, Auntie's gonna cut it.
Just a little tiny cut. Okay, let me fix it. Let me put it back where it goes. Hang on. That's the only thing. I wish we can lock it on that program. So, you know.
See, mine does. It locks it on that program.
And I thought it did.
Pink.
Hey. No. Okay, there you go.
No. That's it. That's it. Uh-oh.
Watch out, Zayden. Watch out.
Watch out.
Come look at the video. Come look. Ooh. You're choking me.
Now when she puts her head up, like straight up like this, it makes it not even because it's supposed to be cut. I was doing it with her head down because it was the easiest. So it's kind of like the top layer didn't get cut, so I'm going to go around one more time.
Okay. Are you supposed to be doing that?
You can? Says who? Jordan. Okay, she's going to show that video to Daddy. You know how much he does not like you doing that. Well, you better stop it, mister. Jordan. Stop.
Sorry.
See, I'm getting my hair cut.
Can you look right at Mommy?
Look at me.
Look right at Mommy.
Look at me, Rora. Say cheese. Look at me. Cheese. What's that?
The
Ooh.
best as it's going to be, you know, with all the movement and stuff.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's not like totally going to be like uneven or anything.
As long as we got a trim.
With like little,
Yay. Ooh.
Toasty.
Yeah, where's the horsey? Good job. Where's the cat?
This cup.
Yeah. Where's the piggy? Push it again. Good job. Where's the donkey? No, that's a sheep. Yep. Good job. Where's the cow? Stinky cow. That's a horsey. There's a bunny. Good job.
good job.
Hit that one. Where's the cow?
Just go.
No, that's a chicken.
Okay.
Good job. Where's the horsey?
It's it.
Good job. Where's the pig?
With it.
Good job.
On your hippo.
Where's the chicken?
Elephant.
Good job. Where's the donkey? Good job.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
Oh.
Mom, look.
Hang on. It's hard for me to look when I'm doing something.
Look at Auntie. Look at. No, you have to look at Auntie.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, she's cutting your hair.
I think we'll be done. I think that'll be good enough.
Okay, we all done? Okay, look at Mommy. You look so pretty. Say thank you, Auntie. Say thank you.
My turn.